Hey, let me show you how you can change ear tips on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So first of all, you will have to actually grab your earbud, then try to roll out this ear tip like this. By the way, right here you can even find the size of the ear tip. And now you will have to grab it, squeeze, and then pull it towards you. There we go. And that's how it looks inside. If you want to clean this part, you can do this right now. And if you want to put back the ear tip, or for example change for the other size, by the way, right here in the box you can find additional ear tips sizes. And now let's say that you want to put it back. So first of all, you will have to actually grab your earbud and squeeze this part just a little bit. It will be actually hard to squeeze it because it's like plastic form, but just a little bit, and then try to put it like this. And now press, and it will be inside. Now we can roll it back, and you can actually do this for this second earbud. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.